You are going to love the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.